guys, welcome back to Elegant Arrangements with Amanda. And today I will be creating a Christmas gift basket for my daughter teachers. So it actually will be a teacher's Christmas gift basket. And here's some of the things that I have. A couple of goodies, a couple of treats just to show my appreciation. So let's get started with this arrangement. Alright guys, I'm going to start off with my basket. And I already added my bow to this basket. I thought that was really cute. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is just add my tissue paper. I'm going to do green for my tissue paper. And this beautiful snowflake red and white tissue paper. Alright, so let's begin to add the items. Alright guys, so we're going to start adding with the largest item here, which are some holiday cookies that I grabbed. And you know you cannot go wrong with the holiday cookies. I'm gonna add that there. And when I'm doing my baskets, guys, I always try to start with the largest items. And then I have here 2 mugs. So she has 2 teachers in her classroom. So you know, I think I'm going to cut these off right here. You know, I actually could have did 2 baskets for both teachers, but I just decided to do 1 big basket, or 1 medium-sized basket for them. Like that, side by side. Add a little of my shredded paper there, just to make things a bit decorative. Alright guys, so this is the end of my video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up as usual. Subscribe to my channel for more DIYs, and I think this will be the last Christmas video that I'm going to do. I did quite a few. And until then guys, you guys have a great Christmas, and I'll see you guys in the new year. Take care.